Binance copy trading is a feature on the Binance platform that allows users to automatically replicate the trading strategies and actions of successful traders in real time. This tool is designed for beginners or those who wish to follow expert trades without actively managing trades themselves. Want to profit like a pro trader but don't have the time or experience? Discover how you can make their winning moves yours with Binance copy trading. Welcome to my channel, Prince Sam Official. If you've ever wondered how professional traders consistently turn a profit, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into Binance copy trading, a game-changing feature that allows you to mirror the trades of top performers with just a few clicks. Whether you're new to trading or just looking for a hands-off approach, this guide will show you how to get started and maximize your gains. Stick around to learn how you can take your crypto investments to the next level. 1. Understand the basics. What is copy trading? Learn how Binance copy trading allows you to automatically replicate the strategies of experienced traders. Who is it for? Perfect for beginners or those who want to save time while still capitalizing on market opportunities. 2. Choosing the right trader. Analyze performance. Check the trader's success rate, total profits, and trading history before you decide to follow them. Risk management. Look for traders who prioritize risk management, not just high returns. 3. Setting up your account. Creating a Binance account. If you don't have one yet, set up your Binance account and verify your identity. Accessing copy trading. Navigate to the copy trading section, choose your preferred trader, and allocate the amount you wish to invest. 4. Monitor and adjust. Track performance. Regularly monitor the performance of your copy trades to ensure they align with your financial goals. Adjust or stop copying. Don't hesitate to switch traders or stop copying if the strategy isn't working for you. 5. Managing risk. Diversify your portfolio. Avoid putting all your funds into one trader. Diversify by following multiple traders with different strategies. Set stop-loss limits. Protect your investment by setting stop-loss limits to minimize potential losses. 6. Stay informed. Market trends. Stay updated with the latest market news and trends to understand the broader context of your trades. Community insights. Engage with the Binance community to get insights and tips from other users. Binance copy trading is a fantastic way to leverage the expertise of successful traders, especially if you're just starting out or prefer a more hands-off approach. By carefully selecting traders to follow, diversifying your investments, and staying informed, you can optimize your potential gains while managing risks. Start copying the pros today and take your crypto journey to new heights. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips on mastering crypto trading and building wealth. Turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Happy trading! Always remember that Prince Sam Official, loves all my subscribers and my YouTube viewers. Thanks for watching.